Ma'am Nina, is from Wichar. You mentioned that the Cartagena Protocol, uh, the subject matter of the Cartagena Protocol is only living modified organisms will be regulated. How about non-living GM?
Yeah, actually, it's only the living modified organism that is regulated because when you introduce this to a particular place, then it could be propagated, and it could affect the biodiversity of an area. That is why it is only the living modified organism that is being regulated by the Cartagena Protocol of Biosafety, because this is part of our Convention on Biological Diversity. So it
Thank
it
you.
will only affect living, or it can only affect the area if it is living. If it is dead, it can no longer affect it.
Thank you, Ma'am Nina. Another question from Norhamin Sandang. Why are cyanogenic glycosides considered as natural toxins in food?
Well, because they're produced naturally by the plant. Okay, cassava, bamboo shoots, they're produced naturally there. That's why they're referred to as natural toxins.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Nina. Another question from Josh Sumage. Why is he from the Philippines? I'm sorry, that's not a question. That- I'm just kidding, Josh. So this is a question that was sent to me, but I'll ask also. If biotech crops are safe, why do countries regulate them very stringently?
Where they are only declared safe after the risk assessment. Okay, so the regulation is, requires safety assessment, and they're only declared safe once they have been assessed for safety. So you cannot declare all GM crops or all LMOs are safe. Unless we do the risk assessment, we cannot say that they are safe. Also, we compare them with their conventional counterparts, so we can only say they are as safe as their conventional counterparts. So you cannot come up with a blanket statement that says all LMOs are safe or all GMOs are safe. By the way, LMO, as far as I know, GMOs and LMOs are one and the same thing. That is, these are products of modern biotechnology that have new combinations of genetic material.
Thank you, Doc Nina. That was also a question from Jane Navasquez. So another question is from Julius Paigalan. Are there crops that are a natural cure for allergy that are native here in the Philippines?
I'm not sure about the natural cure for allergy. No, I'm not. I do not know. Okay, I'm
Thank,
sorry.
thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Nina. And a final question. Uh, how long is long enough for food to be regarded as having a history of safe use?
Well, we do not impose certain timelines, but most of the food that we are looking at, most of the crops, have been eaten by men for thousands of years. Like, rice, for example, has a 5,000 year history or 10,000 year history, things like that.
Okay, sige. Okay, final question. We're running out of time. This is from uh, Samarudin Abidin. Why do you consider many foods as toxins while our indigenous people eat cassava regularly?
They do, but they cook it. See, when you cook it, the hydrocyanic acid, which is the toxin in cassava, would be lost in the evaporation. That's why we do not eat these crops raw, because of these toxins. That's why the bamboo shoot. That's why we chop it very small, finely. Why? So that it will, and then we boil it before we use it as food, so that all the hydrocyanic acid will be lost. So it is the way we prepare the food that we are able, that is a risk management measure. If you really think about it, when we cook
Yes.
our food and we destroy the toxin that is there.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Nina, for answering uh, those challenging questions. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Nina. So,
Thank you, everyone, and I'm glad you're listening. So if you
yeah,
have
thank you,
other
Ma'am Nina.
questions that you can think about, you can send it to the organizers, and then I will be happy to answer them.
Salamat ho, Ma'am Nina. Thank you, Ma'am Nina.